Uh, Good evening. Uh, Good evening, all. Uh, Sorry because we late now. 7:15. Now today we have very easy lesson, but if you think the trigonometry is only the trigonometric ratio sine cos tan, more than that it is hard. It is little bit complex, but if they are not commonly asked in the exam. Therefore, if you know only, they are available in syllabus, but if you know, then you can easily apply for uh, questions very easily. Apply these theories into as short method for get MCQ answers. This lesson we discuss theories. Therefore, this lesson we not going to discuss about sine, cos, and tan. We discuss sine, cos, and tan after, but more than that, in trigonometry we discussed little bit advanced relationship between this trigonometric ratio. After that, uh, we'll see. We can understand it. They are little bit complex mathematics part we discussed, but this much difficult questions are not coming in exam, but they are available in our syllabus. Okay, today we are going to start our new lesson, that is trigonometry. Trigonometry. I told we have three basic mathematics lessons. Three basic mathematics lesson. Among that, from these three basic mathematics lesson, they are the first one is area and volume. Area and volume. The second one is the trigonometry. The second one is trigonometry. The third one is Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem lesson is little bit easy, you know. It's don't have very complex things. We can discuss within one day. Discuss the Pythagoras theorem, and next day we can take another day, and we can complete our application part of this Pythagoras theorem. Then Pythagoras theorem is very simple. You already know Pythagoras theorem. Then the trigonometry and the area volume we finish. The trigonometry we start today. Today we start trigonometry. Then try to complete this lesson within in this month. How many days? How many days we have? Yeah, more. Yeah, 3 days we have. Within 3 days, we'll try to complete with all application and all exam question. We'll try to complete all application and exam questions as well. Okay. Okay, today our topic is trigonometry. The trigonometry. Trigonometry. Time, I think after grade 6, you discussed this. What is the trigonometry you discussed? Grade 7, 8 also. But more than that, little bit complex level we are going to discuss within this lesson. Not much complex, not too much complex, but if you practice this all relationship, you can remember very easily. Okay, the trigonometry. In this trigonometry, remember that always we discussed about triangles. The relationship between triangles we discussed in this lesson. All this full lesson we discussed the relationships of triangles, the different relationships of triangle we discussed in this lesson. Okay, then before we move into this lesson, first of all, we need to understand what is the meaning of standard notation of the I think the basic, I'm not going to explain the what is the triangle. You already know what are the triangle types. They are, you already know. Now we are starting from the standard notation of the triangles. The standard notation of the triangle. The standard notation of the triangle. Okay, write down the topic, our new lesson, trigonometry. I will give you full note, then you can prepare your own note in your book. The standard notation of the triangle. The standard notation. You know, every triangle, there is three sides. There are three sides. Like this. Like this, there are three sides. The standard notation of the triangle mean, think this is our triangle. Any types of triangle, we don't know what is the type. Any type of triangle, every corner we can name as, this is A corner, this is B corner, this is C corner. There are three sides and three corners. See, three sides and three corners, that is the shape of the triangle. Then you can see there is an angle here. There is angle here. There is another angle here. There is another angle here. There are three angles there. Then what is the summation of this triangle? The summation of this triangle is 180 degree. You already know. The summation is 180 degree of all these triangle. You already know. We discuss them later. Then this angle, the A corner angle, we name as capital A. Same, capital A. The B corner angle we called as capital B. The C corner angle we called as capital C. Okay. Each corner we name as A, B, and C, capital letters. Then each angle relevant to this corner name as same letters. Then A angle means this angle, A corner angle. The C angle means C corner angle, like this. C corner angle, like this. Then, yeah, okay. Corners we name, each corners, every corners we name in the triangle. Then every angle we name. Then there are sides also there. Three sides also there. These sides we name as, label as, actually labeling the opposite side to the A corner. Okay, opposite side to the A corner or A angle, we name as simple A. Remember, this is simple A side. This is simple A side. The opposite side to the B angle, this is B side. B side. Opposite side to the opposite side to the C corner, that is C side. Simple. Okay, they are simple. Okay, that is the standard notation of the any triangle. Standard notation of any triangle. Understood? That we called as standard notation of the triangle. The triangle can any type of triangle, no problem. This is the standard notation of the triangle. Up to now we discussed different lessons. We discussed area and volume, we discussed triangles, and we have used trigonometric ratios also. But the problem is we not use the standard notation, no. After that, after we discuss this lesson, we are going to use this standard notation for our calculations. If you want, you can use. Okay, understood the standard notation? Relationships, different relationship in this lesson mainly discuss different relationships of different kind of triangles, different relationships of different kind of triangles. Relationships of different kind of triangles. Next point. Next point. Next point. Before we get the relationship, of triangles, before get the relationships of triangles, important to identify muted. How about now? Wait. How about now? Now save. Okay, okay, thank you. Okay, write down second point again. The second point again. First point is I told in this lesson we discussed different types of relationships of different kind of triangles. This is first point. The second point is write down second point. To get these relationships, first need to identify. First need to identify. To get these relationships, first need to identify. First need to identify a standard method. First need to identify a standard method to name the each part of triangle. Each part of triangle. This standard method. This standard method is called as. This standard method is called as the standard notation of triangle. This standard method is called as the standard notation of the triangle. The standard notation of the triangle. The standard notation of the triangle called as the standard notation of the triangle. Okay, now draw this. Write down the standard notation of the triangle as subtopic. Then draw this triangle and label like this. Label like this. Okay, that is the standard notation of triangle. That is the standard way we can label the each corner, each angle, and each sides of the triangle. Each sides of the triangle by standard notation that we called as standard notation. How we what is the method? The each corner we name as capital tree. It's not rule ABC. ABC is example. If you want, we can use this. If you want, we can name like this. Think this is another triangle. This is another triangle. Then this corner is P. No problem. This corner is capital P. This corner is capital Q. This corner is capital R. Then this angle also capital P. This angle capital R, this angle capital Q, then this is simple Q, this is simple P, this is simple R, like this. The sides are simple letters, angle and cones are capital letters. That's the thing. Okay, if you want practice that, if you want, you can draw that also. Okay, when we consider about right angle triangle, the equal triangle and other types triangles are okay, but how about right angle triangle, this method? Right angle triangle like this, then one angle is right angle, the perpendicular to each other. Then how we name that? Let's say this is A, this is B, this is C, A, B, and C. A, B, and C. Then this is A angle. This is A angle. This is B angle. We are not going to this as C. Label as this perpendicular as C. It is C, but we are not going to mark. We are not going to label. Okay, we are not going to label. Then this side is simple C. This side is simple A. This side is simple B. Are you good? That's for right angle triangle. Other any types of triangle, you can use this method. You can name all these three angles, but right angle triangle we name as like this. Okay, draw this both. Then I will explain how to prepare this notation of triangle. Okay, if you finish, write down. If you finish, write down. In this method, in this method, every corner of the triangle, every corner of the triangle label by a label by a by an label by an English capital letter. English capital letter. English capital letter. English capital letter. Label by an English capital letter. The relevant angle for this corner. The relevant angle for this corner. The relevant angle for this corner labeled as same capital letter. Labeled as same capital letter. Finally, 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 the opposite side to each angle. Opposite side to each angle. Opposite side to each angle label as opposite side to each angle label as the simple letter corresponding to the simple letter corresponding to the angle corresponding to the opposite angle corresponding to the opposite angle. Okay, it's that means corresponding to the opposite angle. The simple letter is that. This is simple letter C. The opposite one, simple letter. Yeah, same thing. Okay, that is the standard notation. Don't remember them because they are mathematics lesson I given for you understand. After the lesson, if you any problem, you can solve by reading that, but don't remember only this. Practically, if you understood that enough, don't remember this sentence. Try to remember. Okay, that is the standard notation. Now we are going to discuss about the in your O-level time, which type of triangle you discussed trigonometric ratios, trigonometric relationship, which type of triangles you used? Can we use the trigonometric ratios, this type triangle? This type triangle? This type you can't see. I asked the like a equality triangle. Equality triangle. Can we use? Can we use? What do you think? Can or can't? Yeah, one answer. Can. Others, what do you think? This type triangle, can we use trigonometric ratios? I asked sine costan, can we use? Sine costan? Sine costan, can we use? Sine costan ratios? Can. Good. We can, but not like right angle triangle. The right angle triangle is very basic level, but little bit advanced knowledge you should have. You should improve. for this type of triangle. First, we'll discuss about right angle triangle at the basic level. Then we go to the this type of things, the trigonometric ratio. I'm not going like this. Okay. Then after divide into, then there is a right angle. Then two right angle triangle. I'm not going not asking that. Then we can use that's a two triangle. That's two right angle triangle. Not that without dividing like this. For this triangle, we should have ability to use the trigonometric ratios. We'll see at the last part of the lesson. One by one, we'll complete this part. Then you can understand up to this level. Okay, first of all, we are going to discuss about the basic trigonometric ratios for right angle triangle. Okay, write down topic. The basic trigonometric ratio. The basic trigonometric ratio for right angle triangle. The basic trigonometric ratios for right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. The basic trigonometric ratios for right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay. First, we starting from right angle triangle. Then we are going to discuss each and every relationships of this right angle triangle. Then we can move to the next part. That is for any types of equation. Sorry, any types of triangle, we try to use the trigonometric ratio. It's not like a right angle triangle. It's little bit complex by using trigonometric ratio for any type of triangle. We try to develop different types of equations also in the last part of the lesson. We'll see. Actually, you already know the equations. You already know. In area and volume, I explained the area equal the triangle area equal. Do you remember triangle area equal half AB sine C? Do you remember this equation? The half AB sine C. I told the more than the angle of any triangle, we can use half base into height. This other than this equation addition, we can use this equation also. I told in area and volume lesson, but I told how to come this equation we discussed in this lesson. Okay, I only explained the equation at the final part of the lesson. For applying trigonometric ratio into any type of triangle, we try to understand, we try to develop this equation, how to come this equation, and how to come different the rotate the this type shape, the angle shape, the different equation, how to come, we discussed in at the last part of the lesson. Okay, if you go to this part, this area, first we need to complete our basic parts of the lesson. We'll try we can understand these things after we complete in basic part. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. You already know what is the meaning of right angle triangle. The right angle triangle, it should one side of triangle should be 90 degree. It is right angle, it is 90 degree. Then if I name this right angle triangle according to standard notation, it should be A, it should be B and C. That is a right angle triangle standard notation. I only name the angles. This is B angle, this is A angle, and this is C angle. Don't need to label. Don't need to label. That is a standard notation. Don't need the sides. I'm not going to label. That don't need us. Only angle I label. Then tell me, you already know What is this side? The A, sorry, C side. What is that? That is, you know. What is this side? What's the name of this side? Yeah. The the longest yes, hypotenuse sides, you know. You already I have explained them. Hypotenuse sides. Hypotenuse side. What is that? Okay, if we think about only A angle, if we think about A angle, what is that? I need to answer. We consider about A angle. According to the A angle, what is this side? What is this side? Yes, others. Amina, according to A angle, I ask what is the name of CB side? CB side. CB side name. According to A angle, what is the name of CB side? Good. Opposite. Opposite, no? A to opposite. Opposite side to A. Opposite side to A, then opposite. This is opposite. Opposite side. Then what is the remain one? The remain one is adjacent one. Adjacent one means the adjacent to the angle. You can see this is adjacent to the angle. It has combined with the angle. Therefore, that we called as adjacent side. Adjacent side. Adjacent side. I name as short adjacent side. Adjacent side. Adjacent side. Okay, they are the three sides of right angle triangle. Send me, you already know this, and I will I need to explain more. Amavi, do you know these sides of triangle and Udani? Do you know? Yes. No or don't know. So if you don't know, I will explain another example. Quickly. Amina? Okay. Okay. All I know. Then for further, I will explain another one example. Think this is a right angle triangle. This side is P and this side is Q and this side is R. Then if we think this R angle, this what is this side? This side is opposite. The opposite side to the angle, that is opposite. Opposite. The opposite side to the right angle, that is hypotenuse. I use short names. The other combined side to the angle, that we called as adjacent side. Adjacent side. ADJ. Adjacent side. Okay, they are the methods we name each sides of a right angle triangle. Each sides of right angle triangle. Okay, now how many trigonometric ratios we have? How many trigonometric ratios we have? We have three main types of trigonometric ratios. We have three main types of trigonometric ratio. Our first trigonometric ratio is sine. You know, the sine mean what? The sine. Now we get the sine A. Okay, sine A. The sine A we name as like this angle. Sine A angle equal to sine A angle mean equal to sine A mean, remember, opposite divide by opposite side length divide by hypotenuse side length, that is a relationship. Opposite divide by, I use short form, hypotenuse. Opposite divide by hypotenuse. The second trigonometric ratio is cos A. Cos A equal uh, adjacent divide by hypotenuse. You already know adjacent divide by hypotenuse. The third one is tan A. Tan A. Tan A. Tan A mean what? Opposite divide by adjacent. Adjacent. Then if you want, you can write down them by as fractions. The opposite is AB divided by sorry, BC divided by AC. AB, sorry, AB. The adjacent mean AC divided by AB. The third one, uh, opposite mean CB. Normally we name as BC. Okay, BC first. BC divided by AC. Okay, they are the trigonometric ratios, basic trigonometric ratios for right angle triangle. Okay, first of all, draw this one. Draw this and write down quickly this. You already know these things. Finish. Sine, cos, tan. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to do some. Okay, before we point to example, I will give you next part also. They are the basic trigonometric ratio. Okay, now understand very important part. Now we are going to discuss some relationships of trigonometric ratio. I think this part, do I need to practice more? This previous part, I think you don't need. Okay, we'll practice. Okay, I will give you 1 minute. We need more for next part. We'll practice for one. Then this is P and this is Q and this is R. Then if we consider about Q angle, Q, quickly get the sine, cos and tan. Practice quickly. I don't now opposite of adjacent, like I just need the sides PQ over RP like this. Like so tan Q now, okay, tan Q, sine Q, cos Q, tan Q, angle. Okay, sine mean what? The sine mean opposite is PR, opposite PR over adjacent mean RQ, RQ, opposite over adjacent. Then cos mean adjacent, sorry, opposite over hypotenuse, sorry. The cos Q mean, cos Q angle mean the adjacent mean PQ over hypotenuse RQ or QR. We name QR. That also should QR. Then the tan Q opposite over adjacent, it is PR divided by PQ. PR divided by PQ. They are the main trigonometric ratio for this given triangle. Okay, we'll do calculations after next part. Okay, you already know. Then okay, quickly finish that up to this level. Okay, I finish. Very simple. Now we are going to little bit advanced part. Finish. Listen me. Okay. Now write down the topic. Some relationships between trigonometric ratios. 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 Now we are going to discuss some relationships between this trigonometric ratio, that means sine, cos, tan. We discuss the sine, cos, tan mean the relationship between the sides of any triangle, Now we are going to discuss between this trigonometric triangle, what are the relationships we can found. This part is very important. You need to carefully focus into the I am explaining. For my explaining, then you can easily understand what I am saying. Okay, think we get same type of triangle like this. Triangle, the right angle triangle we get. Right angle triangle. I can name it is it as A. So this side A is better. A, B and C. Any way you can name. Then this is ABC right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Then this is, this is right angle. This angle is A, capital A. This angle is capital C. This angle is capital C. Now, our first relationship is, the sine, cos, tan, you already know. Our first relationship, understand, the first relationship is tan A. Okay, tan A. We write like this: tan A equal to sine A divided by cos A. Sine A divided by cos A. Now you should you should have idea to prove that and to show this relationship is correct. Okay, as looking, can you think it is correct or wrong? Then the tan A value should equal to the sine A over cos A value. Is that correct? Yeah, we'll see. Is that correct? I think you remember. I forgot to give you the table. I think you remember. Yeah, I will give you that after this relationship part. I will give you the what is the sine 30 value. You already know. I explained in area and volume lesson. I given the table. Sine 60, sine 45 values. Small table we can prepare. Then if you forgot that, you can get these values from your calculator, no problem. Okay, now we want to show this relationship is true, correct. How we can do? Okay, first of all, we can get sine A over cos A. Sine A over cos A. We can get, what is the sine A? Okay, I will take very simply. What is sine A? Sine A. We consider this angle. The sine A mean BC. Sine A mean BC over AC. That is sine A. What is cos A? Now, the basic trigonometric ratio we use, cos A equal AB over AC. Okay, this is our first equation. This is our first equation. This is our second equation. If it is first and second equation, what you need to do? To get the sine A divided by cos A, we need to divide these two values. That means one first equation divided by second equation. That's the meaning of first equation. First equation divided by second equation. That's the meaning of sine A divided by cos A. Then I dividing BC BC over AC divide into AB into AZ. AB into AC divide. This is dividing, not subtract, divide. Okay, dividing. Then you know dividing these two fraction mean multiplication. We can convert into multiplication of the opposite side like this. The BC divide BC over AC divide, convert into multiplication, then that's should opposite, then AC over AB. Then you know the AC is up, AC is down, AC to AC cancel out. 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 Then what happens? The answer is the AB, the sine A divided by cos A. The sine A divided by cos A, answer is what? Answer is BC divided by the AC. Then multiplication BC divided by 1, it is BC. Then AC divided by 1, it is again AC. Then BC divided by AC is the now sine A divided by cos A. Then sine, what is the sine A? I again write sine A divided by cos A. Sine A divided by cos A. Now you want to find what is the BC. The BC is what? BC is opposite. BC is opposite. AC mean sorry, I think proper. Sorry, I have not. It should be after change this AC go to up and it should be AB. Sorry, mistake. Because AB over AC when converted to other side, it is AC into AB. That's my mistake. Then AC to AC cancel out. AC to AC cancel out. The answer should be BC over AB. Sorry, BC over AB. BC over AB. Then you know the BC is opposite. The BC is opposite. The AB mean what? AB mean adjacent. AB mean adjacent. Then opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent to the A angle that we called as. Then we can say the sine A. We can prove sine A over cos A. Sine A over cos A equal to tan A. Okay, are you understood? Or if I want, I can explain more one time. What happened? Yes. Others? Udane clear? Okay. What I do, this is sine A, this is cos A, then divide sine A into cos A. The divide mean multiply by opposite way, then AC to AC cancel, then the sine A over cos A, the value was BC over AC, then BC over AC mean tan A. That's the meaning. Okay. Write down as first of all, draw this triangle, then write down as first relationship is this relationship. Don't need any note, don't need, they are not asking notes for whatever relationship, also not asking in the exam, but you want to know. They have mentioned you should know to prove this equation in your syllabus book. They mention you should know this, you should know to prove these equations, and equation you need to know and prove, you should have proof, ability to prove this like this. Okay, write down first the relationship is that, then how to this coming, write down one by one step with understand. With understand, write down, not only I given one, according to your understand, write down, then if there are any problem, ask. Okay, finish. We'll go to second uh, relationship, that just simple. The sine A over cos A equal to tan A. Finish. Okay. Amina, finish. Okay. So we'll do this relationship is true or not by an example. Uh, by an example, we'll see. We'll see. Uh, okay. Okay. Think the A value is now 60. The A value is now 60. 60 degree. Think I want sine A. So the tan A mean tan 60, no? Tan 60, tan 60 equal sine 60, sine 60 over cos 60, cos 60. Then the tan 60 mean tan 60, you know what is the value for tan 60? I given the table. I will give you again table after this relationship part. What is the tan 60 value? Tan 60, tan 60, tan 60 in area and volume I given. The tan 60 equal root 3. Good. Tan 60 equal root 3. Tan 60 equal root 3. Then sine 60. Sine 60 equal root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. Cos 60 half. Cos 60 half. Then root 3 equal root 3 over 2 multiply by divide half, no, then multiply by 2 over 1, 2 over 1. Then what happened? 2 to 2 cancel out, 2 to 2 cancel out, then root 3 equal to root 3 is coming, then this relationship is correct. Root 3 over root 3 is coming, then root 3 over root 3 is coming. Root 3 over root 3. Okay, as example, write down that it is true relationship. It is true relationship. If you got any angle, it is the same value is coming. Same value is coming. Okay. More into second relationships of the between trigonometric ratios. Okay, second relationships. Second relationship is similar to that, but little bit different. Okay, the first relationship is sine A divide cos A equal to tan A. Okay, our second relationship is sine square. Our second relationship square A. Sine square A. It little bit it can confuse. We are not going to the sine A square. The name is sine, not sine squared. Sine square A, but the meaning is sine A squared. But we are writing that like sine squared A. Not like that. Okay, sine A squared, not that form. We are writing sine squared A. Okay, sine squared A. That means sine A value squared. That's the meaning. Okay, sine A value squared. Not like that. The meaning is the not like okay sine squared A. The full part square. The meaning is full part square, but we write that in this form. In this form. Okay, sine squared A plus cos squared A, cos squared A, cos squared A equal to 1. Equal to 1. You need to prove this relationship. Sine squared A equal to cos, sorry, plus square cos squared A equal to 1. Okay, we'll try to prove. We'll try to prove. Then first of all, you need to find what is the sine A. Sine A. Sine A mean the sine A you got. The sine A mean BC over BC over AC. BC over AC is the sine. Then plus what is the cos A? Cos A mean AB over AC. Okay, this is the mean. Sorry, we can't do like this. We need to prove that, but we should get another one previous step. I forgot that. Okay, first of all, using Pythagoras theorem, first of all, you need to find the AC. Using Pythagoras theorem, you have to get relationship you have to get relationship between to find the AC. Then I can write AC squared equal the Pythagoras theorem. AC squared equal BC squared plus AB squared, that is Pythagoras theorem. Okay, Pythagoras theorem, I will note down here. Pythagoras theorem. AC squared equal BC squared plus AB squared. This is Pythagoras theorem. Now I just want to remove this AC squared. Therefore, every factor I divide by AC squared. AC squared divide by AC squared. BC squared divide by AC squared plus AB squared divide by AC squared. We divide all factor by AC squared. Then AC squared coming 1, divide cut into 1. Then the value is 1. Then you need to find BC over AC. The BC is You need to find what is a BC over AC. BC mean opposite, opposite over AC mean hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Opposite square divide hypotenuse square plus the AB squared mean AB squared mean adjacent square. Adjacent square divided by AC square mean hypotenuse square. Then what is coming? This equal to 1. Then 1 equal to 1 equal to 1 equal to opposite over hypotenuse mean what? Sine squared A, sine squared A plus adjacent over hypotenuse mean cos squared A, cos squared A, cos squared A. Then this relationship is coming. This is our second relationship between trigonometric ratios. Between trigonometric ratios, this is our second relationship. Are you good? Good, good. Okay, right. If you draw early, if you can draw again triangle and write down this. In here, the PT mean Pythagoras theorem. PT mean Pythagoras theorem mentioned that also. Then you can easily understand when you looking after the class. Okay, that's the relationship. Very simple. If you understood, you can get a very simple relationship. Okay, right. Okay. Are you done? Okay, we'll try this one also, prove or not by an example. It is true or not by an example. Okay, we'll try. The sine squared A mean, we'll see again the A is 60, then sine 60, any angle you can use. If you want, you can use 30. Sine 60, sine squared 60 plus cos squared 60, it should equal to 1. We'll try, we'll see what's the value. The sine squared 60 means sine 60. The not sine squared 60 value. The sine 60 is, you know, the sine 60 mean root 3 over 2, no? Yes, root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. It is, this value is square. That's the meaning. This value is square. Plus cos 60 mean half. Cos 60 mean half or 0.5. It is square. Okay, get the value of that. Root. Okay, without calculator, we'll do manually. The root 3 square mean root 3 into root 3, it is 3. Divide by 4 plus 1 over 4. 1 over 4. Then the below same, therefore 4 into 4, 4 over 4. Then 4 to 4 cancel out. The answer become 1. The answer become 1. Okay, write down as example. Write down any angle you can use. If you use any angle, the relationship is true. You know, I got these values. Root 3 into root 3, it is 3. 2 square is 4. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. Then 4 to 4 equal. Therefore, 3 plus 1, it is 4. Then 4 divided by 4, it is 1. This is our second trigonometric ratio relationship. What is the first one? Sin A divide cos A equal tan A. Or sin theta over cos theta equals tan theta. No problem. Okay. Any angle we can use. Sin theta divide cos theta equal to tan theta. Then our second equation is sin square A plus cos square A equal 1. If you want, you can get sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1, no problem. Okay, then two relationships are done. Two relationships are done. Now we are going to our third relationship. It little bit, actually we have 3 relationship here. Okay, try to understand. It also very simple if you understood. Okay, third relationship. Third relationship. Our third relationship is sine 90 minus A. The 90 degree. Okay, 90 divide A equal to cos A. This is our cos A. This is our third relationship. Sin 90 minus A equal to cos A. Sin 90 minus A equal. A equal to cos A. A mean this angle. Okay. A mean this angle. Okay, think how it is become proof according to your mind. Think the same as previous simple method. Okay, we'll do. We'll try to prove that. Okay, you know already this B angle is already uh, 90 degree. You know that's a right angle. No? That is 90 degree. Then if I write the relationship like this, uh, A angle plus C angle, A angle plus C angle equal 90 degree. Am I correct? The total angles, the summation of all these three angles in any triangle is 180. No? Then one in this right angle triangle, one angle is already 90 degree. Then the summation of other two remain angles should be 90 degree. That's correct. It is 90 degree. It is 90 degree. 90 degree. Then in this relationship, if I isolate this C or try to isolate A, if I isolate A, this angle, this given this considering angle, we can write this C go to this side 90 minus A. Sorry, C angle is the 90 minus C angle is the A. Am I correct? Simply understand without relation. It is 90 degree. Then these two summation should be 90 degree. The A1 should be 90 minus this one. 90 minus this one equal to A. That's the word. Then I can write sine A. I can write sine A equal to sine 90 minus C, this bracket. Am I correct? Sine A equal to sine 90 minus C, because this A to this 90 minus C angle is equal. Therefore, sine A equals sine 90 minus C. Are you okay up to now? That is little bit advanced, this relationship. That sine A equal to sine 90 minus C angle. Clear up to now? That's a long calculation. We are going to long calculation. This is that now we can name that as our first equation. This is our first equation. Tell me up to now. Okay. Any problem up to now? How it? Any problem up to now? All are clear? Up to now, okay? Yeah. Can you explain it? First of all, that's only first equation. That's not our final expression. That's only the half of calculation. You need to understand that part first. Okay, first of all, you need to understand this angle is 90 degree now. This is right angle. Then this is A angle. This is C angle. Okay, then you know altogether angle, the summation is 180 degrees. Then the right angle is 90 degree. The other two angles should be 180 minus 90. Other two angle is should be 90 degree. Then this is one. A angle plus C angle should be 90 degree. A angle and C angle should 90 degree. Then if I got A angle should equal to 90 minus C. This two summation is 90 degree. Then the A angle should be 90. The summation of 90. If I subtract the C value, this is the A. That's the thing, the second step. Okay, then I use sine, that means sine A equal sine 90 minus C, because A angle equal to 90 minus C. Therefore, the sine A should equal to sine 90 minus C. Okay. Okay. Now, this is about sine A. Sine A. Now, our second equation we prepare. Sine, if I got sine A, what is the sine A value? Sine A value on this triangle, sine A equal opposite mean BC. Opposite mean BC. The hypotenuse mean AC. BC over AC is the side. Then if I got uh, cos A, wait, problem. Okay. Yeah, little bit mistake. The sine A equal BC over AC. Okay, I will explain again. Sine A equal BC over, that means opposite over hypotenuse, BC over AC. Then again, I need to get cos A. Cos C. Cos C mean this side. Then cos C mean what? Cos C equal adjacent over hypotenuse. For cos C, for C angle adjacent is BC. BC, the hypotenuse is AC shape. Then you can see these two equations, these two relations are same. BC over AC, BC over AC. BC over AC, BC over AC. Then I can write a sine A for this equation. Sine A is equal to cos C. Sine A is equal to cos C. Sine A is equal to cos C. Up to now, okay? Up to now, okay? The sine A is BC over AC, cos C equal BC over C AC. Then I can say sine A equal to cos C. Sine A equal to cos C. Sine A equal to cos C. Now I can get the relationship. This is our second equation. This is our second equation. Now we have two equations. Sine, we need to get what? Sine 90 minus A equal to 90 minus A equal to cos A. 90 minus A equal to cos A. Sine A equal to sine 90 minus C. Sine A equal to cos C. Here, mistake. Sine A equal 90 minus C. Yeah. Here I need to isolate C. That's my mistake. I want to isolate C from this equation. I need to isolate this C1, C angle. The C angle equal 90 minus A. Then sine C should equal to sine 90 minus A. Now correct. Now correct. Sine C equal to sine 90 minus A. Sorry, my mistake. We need to isolate. That's why I see what's the problem. Yeah, now correct. Sine C equals sine 90 minus A. That is our first equation. I will explain full again. Then sine A equal this value. Sine C cos C equal this value. Then I can say sine A equal to cos C. This is our second equation. Then I can say the sine A. The sine A, instead of this sine A, I can isolate. Instead of this sine A, I can isolate uh, instead of this sine A, yeah, it also mistake. Again, we need to get the sine C and cos A. Okay, my mistake. I will explain again. Sine I want to get C and cos A. Sine C mean AB divided by AC. AB divided by AC. The cos A mean cos A AB divided by AC. Then sine C equal to cos A. Sine C equal to cos A. Sine C equal to cos A. Then I am correct. The sine C value is sine 90 minus A should equal to this value. Should equal to cos A. Okay, I will explain now again. Okay. Okay, sorry, my mistake. A and C I have changed. All. Okay, that's it. Okay, the our third relationship is sine 90 minus A equal cos A. This is our relationship, third relationship. Then first I got this 90 degree. This is 90 degree. Understand? This is 90 degree. This 1 summation is should 90 degree because 180 minus 90 is 90. Then I isolate the C angle. C angle should equal to 90 minus A. The C should be 90 minus A angle. Then sine C, then these two sides are equal. Therefore, sine C should equal to sine 90 minus A. This is our first equation. Then our second equation we prepared, sine C value. The sine C value equal AB over AC, cos A value. Cos A value equal AC over, sorry, AB over AC. AB over AC because cos A mean AB adjacent over hypotenuse, AB over AC. Then you can see AB over AC and AB over AC both same. Therefore, we can say sine C equal to cos A. This is our second equation. The sine C value is sine 90 minus A. Then equal to cos A. This is our equation. Okay, any problem? You can now ask. Understood? Amina? Sorry, I don't think about my previous one. I have changed A and C, then it is very complete. If you go through the correct way, it is very easy. Okay, sorry, right now. Finish. Okay, we'll move into our next equation, next relationship. Our next relationship is the opposite side of that. Opposite side of that. It's like the sine 90 minus a, not sine 90 minus a, it is cos 90 minus a now. Cos 90 minus a equal to sine a. Cos 90 minus a equal to sine a. Then you need to remember the two relationship. Sine 90 minus a equal to cos a. Cos 90 minus a equal to sine a. Sine a. Then we can same method, a plus c equal 90 degree. Then c is 90 minus a. 90 minus a. If I got I now I just want to got the cos c, not sine c. Cos c equal cos c equal cos 90 minus a, because c equal to 90 minus a, no? Then cos c also equal to cos 90 minus a. We apply cos ratio into both. Cos ratio into both. Then this is our first equation. Then I just want sin c same. Sin c same. No, I just want to now. Yeah, in previous method I have followed this method actually. The sin a, I want sin a now. Sin a. Sin a is what? Sin a is what? Sin a and cos c values. Sin a and cos c values. Sin a and cos c values. What is the sin a? The sin a mean bc over ac. The cos c also bc over ac. bc over ac. Then I can write the sin a equal to cos c. Sin a equal to cos c. Sin a equal to cos c. This is our second equation. This is our second equation. Then our equation we can prepare. Equation we can get the cos c. Cos c equal to, according to our first equation, cos c equal to cos 90 minus a. Then the sin a, this is sin a. Sin a should equal to cos c equal to cos 90 minus a. Cos 90 minus a. Cos 90 minus a. This is our fourth relationship. Relationship number 4. Fourth relationship. Okay, right. I think no any different. Only A and C changing. A and C changing, then new relationship is formed. Finish? Yes. Okay, then how many relationships we have completed? 4 relationships are finished. We have only 5 relationships. In exam, not asking uh, prove the relationships of following relationships. They are not given. Okay, they are just you only know there are different relationships, and these relationships we can prove like this. That's only. Okay, if you know that only enough. Okay, we'll try this is true or not. We'll try we'll try to see this is true or not. The cos 90, the cos try to this one is true, mean other opposite one also correct there. Then sine 90 minus a mean think our a angle is 60, the c angle is 30. Okay, c because the all together should be 90, then 60 plus 30, then 90, 90 plus 90, 180. Now if it is like this, the cos 90, cos 90 minus a, cos 90 minus a mean what? Cos 90 minus a mean 90 minus a mean already 90 minus 60 equal to sine 60. Sine 60. Is it correct? Then cos 90 minus 60 mean cos 30. Cos 30 equal, you know, cos 30. Cos 30, you actually, you know this relationship. Cos 30 equal to sine 60. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. Cos 30 equal root 3 over 2. The sine 60 equal root 3 over 2. That's correct. That's correct. Okay, write down as example. Example. Okay, our final relationship, the relationship number 5. Come to relationship number 5. Relationship number 5. The relationship number 5 is now we use the relationship is a little bit long relationship. It is tan 90 minus tan 90 minus a, tan 90 minus a, tan 90 minus a equal to 1 over tan a. 1 over tan a. Yeah, that's the relationship. You want to prove that. Okay, what you can do? What you can do? First of all, you can get the tan a value. Tan a for given our yeah, it is tan a we need. Tan a. Tan a. What is the tan a for our one? Tan a adjacent over, sorry, opposite over adjacent. The opposite is BC. BC over adjacent is AB. AB. Then I need to get the side tan C. Tan C. What's the value? Tan C equal tan C. Tan C. Tan C mean tan C from this side. AB over BC. AB over BC. You have to practice this week, this part AC. Then the AB over BC, sorry. AB over BC. Now you can see, if we take tan A, tan A and tan C equal like this. Equal like this means if we take the opposite side of tan C, it's equal to tan A. Am I correct? That means tan A equal BC over AB, tan C equal AB over BC. AB over BC. Upper one BC over AC, AB. This is AB over BC. That is opposite, no? Opposite, like a cross. Now, therefore, we can say the tan, sorry, therefore we can say the tan A equal, tan A equal BC tan A equal BC over AB, then opposite of that. Then I can say the tan A equal 1 over tan C. Sorry, tan A equal 1 over tan C, because opposite, tan A equal 1 over tan C. 1 over tan C. Up to now, okay? Tan A equal 1 over tan C. Okay, now tan A equal 1 over tan C. Amina, okay? Okay, then I can say the tan, as previous method, A plus C equal, A plus C angles equal 90 degree. A plus C equal 90 degree. Then I can say C angle we can get 90 minus A, no? 90 minus A. I go to A into this side. Then if I use tan, now we use tan, same method as previous. Tan C equal to tan. Both sides we use tan. Tan 90 minus A, tan C equal to tan 90 minus A. This is our first equation. Because of that, we can substitute tan A equal to tan A equal to 1 over tan A equal to 1 over tan C, no? Tan C equal to tan 90 minus A. Then I can say tan 90 minus A equal to 90 minus A. Tan 90 minus A. Then you can isolate this tan 90 minus A. You can isolate this tan 90 minus A. Then you can see the tan 90 minus A equal to tan 90 minus A equal to 1 over tan A. 1 over tan A. Okay, this is our final relationship between trigonometric ratios. Are you good? Any problem? Okay. Amina and Udanya. Okay. Okay, write down this. Tan 90 minus A equal 1 over tan A. Okay. Okay, I finish, I think. Okay. Then we'll see. Then we'll see is that is true or false according to by using an example. Using an example, we'll try. How to do? I will erase. Okay, now how we get that? Tan 90 minus A. Tan 90 minus A mean tan 90 minus A. 90 minus 60 mean tan 30. No? Tan 30. Tan 90 minus A is 60. No? Tan 30 should equal to 1 over tan value is 60. Tan A value is 60. Then tan 60. Then tell me what is the tan 30? Tan 30 degree. You know. Tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree 1 over root 3. Good. 1 over root 3 equal 1 over tan 60 root 3. Then this also correct relationship. Correct relationship. Correct relationship. Okay. Write down as example. Write down. Okay, then what we discussed today? Today we discussed all types of basic trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, tan, and we discussed five relationship between these trigonometric ratios. 5 trigonometric ratio relationship. Okay, I will give you summary. Finally, the first relationship is the first relationship is sine A. Sorry. Yeah, correct. Sine A over cos A equal tan A. This is our first equation. Then our second equation is sine squared A plus cos squared A equal to 1. This is our second relationship. The third relationship is sine 90 minus A. Sine 90 minus A equal to cos A. Our fourth relationship is cos 90 minus A equal sine A. Sine A. If you want, instead of this A, you can use theta. Okay, no problem. Theta you can use. That means angle. No? The A mean any angle. The last one is tan A equal 1 over these both sides correct. Tan 90 minus A also tan 90 minus A equal 1 over tan A. 1 over tan A. They are the 5 relationships we proved today. We already proved every equation. All equations are then correct. They are true relationships. True relationships. Okay, this week your task is you need to practice all the equation. Then every application and uh, every the next part, the second part of the theory part, the first part of theory part, the theory first part is finished. Then next day we discuss theory second part and some application calculation part. Then last day of this month we discussed every questions we in the exam and model paper question from trigonometric lesson. Then the trigonometric lesson is finished. Then our second math lesson is finished within this month. Then uh, our next lesson we can start from April. New lesson. New lesson is not maths lesson. It is a I not decide. It probably physics lesson. Physics lesson. We not discussed any chemistry lesson yet. Chemistry lesson we can start after completing one physics lesson, because most lot of lessons are physics. You need more time for understand and practice physics lesson. Therefore, first we'll complete physics lesson, then we can go for chemistry lesson. In chemistry lessons, you have 7 chemistry lessons. From 7 chemistry lesson, only calculations lessons are only 2. That means thermal chemistry and kinetic chemistry. Other all chemistry lessons are theory-based lesson. Theory-based lesson. The environmental chemistry, all theory notes, theory books of each lesson. I will send you that every biology and chemistry lesson. I will send you as printed note within April month. Then after April month lesson, physics lesson, we can go for this theory lessons. Okay, all student, I will send you a full pack of notes within April. Okay, any problem from today lesson? Any confused point? Okay. Okay, then that's today lesson. Try to practice them. Try to practice. They are not directly asked in the exam. They are not asked directly sin A divide cos A equal to tan A. Prove that. They are not given like this. Any past paper don't have like this question. But some MCQ given this type relation, these relationships can short method for get MCQ answers. I will show you next day. These relations, the relationship can short ways for MCQ, get MCQ answers. But without short method also you can get, using basic trigonometric ratio knowledge, you can get answers. But this, if you know this relationship, you can find short method for go to answers in MCQ. Essay and essay part, structured part, no, in maths, no. In essay part, it's not more important, but MCQ is, for MCQ, that some relationship can be advantage for find short method for find answers. Okay, then you can take working papers and you can practice again and again. Then you can familiar this relationship. If you want, you can display on your wall in the room this 5 relationship. Then it will familiar within few days. Okay, then that's all for today. Okay, good night. You have wait. You have another exam after this lesson is finished. After this lesson is finished, you have another exam. Second exam, if not as first one, it little bit easy, I think. The first exam paper not very much complex, but it's medium paper. Okay, then meet next week. Good night.